Paruppu Kuzhambu is one of the fundamental everyday recipes prepared in nearly every home in the Kongu region. Each home has its own rendition of this recipe. Toor dal is cooked along with a small amount of castor oil and then a tempering is added to the curry. Chinna Vengayam, the shallots, is an essential ingredient in this recipe. The more shallots you use, the more delightful the curry becomes. The flavor and aroma of roasted cumin and garlic add their unique touch. There is no masala powders used in this recipe. Potta milagai, or the flavor of roasted broken red chillies, is what brings the heat in this recipe. A steaming bowl of pulungalarisi sadam, parboiled rice, and paruppu kuzhambu drizzled with a little ghee and served with appalam on the side is all you need to create a delectable meal on a busy day. Hope you'll try this recipe.